Welcome back, it's your boy Jab Anima. Hey, you guys know how to do so many things on Blender already, but are we organized for success? Today we're going to set up Blender, clean it all up, and then make sure that every time that we open it, it opens up the way that we like it. Let's go to Blender. Before we start, let's press N. We're going to go right here to View, and this Clip Start, we're going to put in 0.005. What that allows us to do is get really close to the object, and the object's not going to break. Now we're out of there, and let's focus on this top menu right here. We have this layout, and this modeling is redundant. Go ahead and delete that one. And we're going to delete scripting, unless you do some coding on Blender, which I've never done. And then we're going to add in an asset browser. And then the shading, we're going to bring it to the front. And our animation, we're going to bring that one to the front. And then the layout is the last one. We're going to bring that to the front. And then we can call this layout our main one. And now these three tabs right here is where we're going to spend most of our Blender lives. Hey, now we have everything set up, everything we've worked on in the last couple of videos. And now we can go up here to File. We're going to go to Default and we're going to click Save Startup File. That way, every time we start Blender, it's going to start off right. Hey, that's it for today, guys. Catch you on my Twitter, my Instagram, or my YouTube. I'll see you there.